about the district which is still included in Aceh province and borders with the Sumatra province? The district is Aceh Singkil. Aceh Singkil is one of the districts still within the scope Aceh province, and it is also the district that has various kinds of tourist and cultural places. Have you ever visited tourist attraction in Aceh Singkil? If you ever, it meant that you are one of the lucky people because you have enjoy beautiful nature in tourist Aceh Singkil. For those who have never visited, here I will introduce one of the famous tourists in Aceh Singkil. Just stay tuned my video, let's check it out! We will go to Sheikh Abdurrauf Assingkily, visiting children and village at Singkil Regency. The journey we will take 15 minutes from Nifat Kajang village. Are you curious? Join with me, let's go! Abdurrauf is one of the great scholars, a very large influence in the spread of Islam in Sumatra and the archipelago in general. Sheikh Abdurrauf Grad is located on the banks of the Singkil River, about 5 kilometers or 8 minutes from the capital of Aceh Singkil region. Bordering North Sumatra, the tomb can be recognized land in air travel. 10 minutes from Singapore, 25 from the Handapasur Airport, and about 2 hours from Subutan City and 7 hours from Medan.
The tomb is in a building measuring 7 meters until 14 meters with green and white porcelain works. The shape of the building like a mosque creates an Islamic feel in the stone. In the middle of the room is the tomb of Sheikh Abdurrauf, on which there with stones, large shells, and carved with mosquito nets. Donated by visitors, the tomb building also provides religious books and private equipment.
When a major disaster occurred in Aceh Singkil, the earthquake which happened in Nias which had a major impact on Aceh Singkil, where money losing sank because the ground subsided. Sheikh Abdurrauf Grad was not damaged even so it is located on the edge of a river.
Aceh Singkil dari kota Matua, kau menara di tonggeng terira.
Aceh Singkil dari mendeko tangan.
Well guys, that's all review of Sheikh Abdurrauf Grad. Let's visit Aceh Singkil to make a pilgrimage to the tomb. Thanks for attention. Stay healthy and be happy. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.